What's good, sneaky heads? Back here with another one. Yeah, so this one's actually the third colorway that I've gotten in this shoe. I won it in a raffle from Sneakersnstuff. Shout out to y'all. I just haven't posted the other two videos that I did, but I'm going to post those after this. Really weird how that's working out, but the kid kind of threw my whole video thing off, so I'm backed up a lot. But in this one, I'm going to throw a bunch of Easter eggs in, see if y'all can like pick up on them and everything. So just to make it a little more interesting, because you can catch pretty much the same little bits of info. I mean, they're going to be different, but you can go back and watch them and pick up all the other info that you want from watching the other two videos. And those are going to be linked, over the past few minutes or few seconds in the top. So let's jump into unboxing this one. I've been waiting on this colorway for a minute. I'm going to use a knife that I somehow acquired from Longhorn Steakhouse. Still don't know how I did that, but use that to unbox it, make it a little bit easier. But yeah, this colorway right here, I've actually been waiting on for a minute. I like the other ones, but they're just not my style. This one is definitely my style. So I'm glad they came out with it. Receipts. Car accident. Alright. Size 13. In the Yeezy 500 Utility Black. I really was going to say the super moon yellow, but, and then kind of like burn them, so that way they turn black and, blah, blah, blah. But that'd be kind of dumb, so I'm not going to do that. That'd just be a waste of time. In case you don't know, when you order Yeezys, you always go a half size up, if not a full size up. I wear 12 typically. I can order and wear a 12 in a Yeezy, but my toes are literally right at the end of it. So a 13 actually feels good and comfortable. Maybe a slight, very, very slight bit a little too big, but it's barely noticeable. It feels comfortable. It feels like it should, but maybe just a hair too big. So, but I've been waiting on these for a minute, so let's check out what they look like. And it's crazy. Wow. They look a lot better than I thought they would. But, it's nuts because, I won the raffle for these, so I didn't really think anything of it. And, so I didn't really, wake up to try to get them off Adidas or anything like that. So I woke up at like 12:30, and just for the heck of it, I got on Adidas.com and checked on their, here's the live, or my screen recording of it, and checked their website, and the splash page was already down. You could just go straight in, add it. They had a full-size run still there, so if you really wanted them, you could have got them. And that was 30 minutes after they dropped. They still had all the sizes, everything. And black definitely is my favorite colorway so far. So these, just like I said in the other ones, they are made of suede and premium leather with kind of a mixture of mesh and nubuck. They have it all kind of mixed in. That right there is the suede, then you got the mesh, then you got the nubuck right here, and the leather kind of worked in. You got 3M piping that runs all along the edge all the way around right here. I'll throw up a picture real quick to show you what that looks like with the flash on. And down at the bottom, you've got Adiprene, I believe is what it's called. Adidas Adiprene, which was first introduced on the Kobe KB8, the Kobe Bryant 8 from Adidas, which is now called the Crazy 8. which I thought that was actually kind of cool. But I always wondered, like, why didn't they put Boost on this? I guess they were trying to go cheaper, but not really because it's still $200. So maybe just to mix it up a little bit because he's got Boost on everything else, or maybe because he likes to cage off the Boost and it would be almost impossible to do that. It would start looking like a different shoe. Or maybe he just, like, like in the other videos I said, maybe he just wanted some type of military looking shoe that, they could wear in rugged environments and stuff like that and not have to worry about tearing the Boost to crap. Who knows? But let's get them on feet real quick because, these things always look so good on feet. So good on feet. Yeah, these things just as comfortable as the rest of them, fit just the same way. They look good. I like the look of them a lot better than the other colorways. To be honest with you, like the availability of these, I think they made way more numbers than the other ones, like than the yellow or the blush or any of those. And I think that's ultimately what caused the downfall, because they were available everywhere. I mean, I think Yeezy Supply had, what was it, something retarded, like 70,000 pairs. I don't even know what it was. Like, I had seen all types of different numbers. But I think they just overestimated it and thought that everybody wanted the black one, which I think they did. But once you got your hype beasts and you got the people like me that just want them because of the colorway that you want, or the style or whatever else. But if the hype beasts aren't jumping on it, they turn into bricks. And you build houses with bricks. Little club houses and stuff. So currently I think you can pick these up. I mean, they're dropping restocks all day long. But currently I think you can pick them up for, I think this size was going for $230 or $240. But the only reason why they're high is because of the tax, the fees that they throw on them just to be able to break even. So, and you can tell if it's a real bad brick because, those things will be below retail and everybody's like, oh, they're below retail, but you add the fee to it and shipping and all that and it goes right back up to retail. So, like I said, this is the third release. You had, I think the first one was, it was either the blush or the yellow, the Supermoon yellow. It really goes, the pre-order was before the blush, the one that came with the pack. But the blush was the first single shoe, so it really depends on who you talk to. But this one's the third one to come out. I think the next one to come out is going to be like that purplish colorway. I don't think I'm going to hop on that one. You'd be walking around looking like a Power Ranger. I'm not down with that. And I think they got the salt gray one too, and they've got the purple one coming out. I don't know about the salt gray, because the salt gray, the blush, and the yellow, you get them all side by side, they pretty much look the same. I mean, it's all a solid color. They're just different materials, so there's not really anything dramatic to separate it. But you get these things with the yellow or the blush black. that's when you start getting the big jumps. So, I mean, if you got a gray, yellow, and a black, that's cool. But otherwise, nah, I don't really see too much of too many more sales on these. I mean, you got to do something dramatic to be able to kind of pick it up a little bit and get your sales up high. The next one that I'm going for is that 700 Kiwi, that black one. Ooh, that thing looks so good. Ah, I saw pictures of that and had it. Oh my god, I gotta get it. The butter one for the 350 V2. Check that video out. It's more yellow in person than it is like a butter colorway, but yeah, it's got me questioning what he's doing with the colorways on these. Like the first ones that came out were pretty good. I think Adidas had more control in those, and once they started selling, they were like, "Oh, do what you want," and now he's starting to mess things up. So I don't know. Did y'all cop this shoe? What do y'all think about the shoe? I think it's comfortable. Honestly, I wear my yellow ones all the time. And honestly, I mean, they're easy to clean. You crep them once, you just wipe them down, they're good to go. And I cannot wait to get these black ones on. These are going to be my new daily wearers. Besides Boost, So, my Ultra Boosts and stuff like that. But, do you like it? What do you think about the design and the colorway? Do you think Yeezys are dead now? We'll see when it comes to the next ones, because I mean, all the rare ones are coming back. They're probably going to flood it. It's not looking too good. It looks like what he said of everybody going to be able to get them is coming true. So now my next video that's coming, make sure to subscribe and follow me on social media, because the next one will have the poll for the giveaway in the description, or a link to the poll in the description. And it'll probably either be there or on my social media. So make sure to follow me. Links are down here. And check out the next video. So subscribe, turn the bell on. If you want to put your say in on what you get, make sure to do that. So, and check this video out for the 1,000 sub giveaway when we get there. But yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I got more bangers on the way. Did y'all pick up the little subtle nuances in this video, the little changes? If so, put them down in the comment section. And until next time, I hope y'all have a good one. Be safe. Wear your shoes. Peace.